Hey YouTube, got a cool little quad here you just got. Very inexpensive. I think I picked it up for like $14 on YouTube. It's the Attop A1. Pretty much good for inside, but it's actually pretty quick, so I thought I'd bring it out. Got 3 rates. It will fly upside down, according to the manual. 360 flips also. But nice big controller for a little thing like this. Let's try it out. Get some wind. This could be a factor here. There we go. Turn her on. Up, down, binds it up. We'll go right up to rate 2. Quiet little thing too. The steps here. Quick. Quick yaw, huh? Let's see. It's rate 2, so. Three rates. I'll show you. Wind is definitely a factor today. Quick little thing. So we got blue LEDs in the front, red in the rear, in the back. Fights the wind. The wind is definitely blowing it around, but we'll fight it though. Trying to fight it. You can see how windy it is. But really have to try this on a calm day, calmer, to really enjoy it. Pretty sporty little thing. Crap. Where'd you go? Into the bushes. Gotta love the bushes. There it is. Nice little quad though. I'll bring it over here. Stable. And the wind's not blasting around. quick. Pretty cool little quad. $14, man. And looks like it gets good flight time too. Quick little thing. Oops, got me. Let's see. Still not flashing. Pretty cool. A little A1. This is fun. Try some flips here. Whoops, see. Did I knock it? Well, it looks like I bent the, yeah, those little things. I think these may break off pretty easy. I just bumped that and twist it back down, alright. So, let's see. Doesn't seem to be flipping. Huh. Oh, there's a flip. Alright. Interesting. Wind's picking back up out here. Still going. Yeah, that's something. That's cool. There's a good breeze coming up. It's fighting, it's fighting. This wind's really blowing, but this little guy fights right against it. Definitely get blown around, but it seems pretty powerful. Yeah, we can keep flying and flying. Oh, battery light. Alright. Batteries did just wear out. So that's cool. Flips, I have to figure out why it seemed to flip right. Attop A1. Nice little quad. Very inexpensive. Check it out. I'll put a purchase link up. Thanks for watching.